Is your living room stuck in the past? What if I told you that just a few simple changes could turn it into a luxurious, modern masterpiece without breaking the bank? Stay right here, because in the next few minutes, we're revealing the top living room design trends for 2025 that interior designers don't want you to know. Welcome to Fix-It Design, your ultimate source for interior inspiration. If you're ready to turn your ordinary space into something extraordinary, you're in the right place. From sleek layouts to cozy accents, today's ideas will make your living room feel like it came straight out of a luxury magazine, even on a budget. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and make sure you don't miss a single second, because your dream living room starts now. 1. Understanding luxury modern living rooms. Modern luxury living rooms are all about blending timeless elegance with contemporary flair. In 2025, we're seeing a shift towards sleek, minimalist designs with bold accents. Think clean lines, rich textures, and an atmosphere of sophistication without clutter. But what exactly makes a living room luxurious in 2025? It's all about quality over quantity. Furniture with high-end finishes, custom-made pieces, and the use of premium materials like marble, rich wood, and plush velvet are key. Luxury also comes from intentionality. Every item should serve a purpose while enhancing the overall design. It's about harmony, proportion, and sensory experience. Picture a calm, clutter-free space with just the right amount of visual interest, soft lighting, tactile fabrics, and subtle, curated decor. And here's the secret most designers won't tell you. Luxury doesn't mean expensive. It means thoughtful. You can find many luxurious-looking items at budget-friendly prices if you know what to look for. And that's exactly what we're going to show you today. 2. Key luxury design trends for 2025. Let's dive deeper into the major design trends defining 2025, because these are the foundation for any living room transformation. Trend number 1, bold and balanced colors. Neutral palettes have dominated for years, but 2025 is the year of bold sophistication. Deep hues like emerald green, midnight blue, and espresso brown are taking center stage. Accent them with muted gold, brass, or matte black for a polished contrast. Want a pro tip? Choose one dominant color and layer it with different shades. Then bring in accent colors through throw pillows, rugs, or artwork. The key is balance. Don't overwhelm your space, but don't be afraid to go bold either. Trend number 2, sculptural furniture. Forget standard shapes. This year, it's all about curves, waves, and organic silhouettes. Rounded armchairs, asymmetrical coffee tables, and modular sofas bring movement and uniqueness to your space. A great example is the trending cloud sofa. Plush, oversized, and perfect for lounging. Pair sculptural furniture with minimalist surroundings for maximum impact. Trend number 3, sustainable luxury. Luxury now has a conscience. Eco-friendly materials are becoming a mark of modern elegance. Bamboo flooring, recycled textiles, low VOC paints. These choices reflect care for the planet and add meaningful value to your space. Look for brands that use FSC-certified wood, recycled metals, or handcrafted items from artisans. Sustainability can be both ethical and beautiful. Trend number 4, multifunctional spaces. As homes continue to adapt to hybrid lifestyles, multifunctional design is a must. Living rooms now double as home offices, wellness areas, and entertainment zones. Invest in stylish storage solutions, fold-away desks, or sectional sofas that can shift configurations. Think of your living room as a flexible canvas. Trend number 5, smart home integration. Smart doesn't mean cold and tech-heavy. In 2025, tech is seamlessly integrated into design. Hidden speakers, undershelf LED strips, smart curtains, and ambient mood lighting elevate the experience. Control everything from your phone or voice assistant, not just for convenience, but to personalize your space for every occasion. 3 extended living room makeover ideas. Now let's talk about exactly how you can apply these trends in your own home. 1. Upgrade your sofa. Your sofa is the star of your living room. Choose a centerpiece with clean lines and plush comfort. Look for performance fabrics. They're durable and kid-friendly while still feeling luxurious. Don't forget, color makes a huge difference. A navy or rust velvet sofa can instantly transform your space from basic to magazine-worthy. 2. Add a statement light fixture. Lighting does more than illuminate, it defines mood. A sculptural chandelier or minimalist pendant can anchor your design. Layer your lighting. Combine ceiling lights with table lamps and floor lamps to create zones and add dimension. 3. Layering textures. Luxury is felt as much as seen. Blend materials like velvet, faux fur, linen, metal, and wood to create sensory richness. For example, try a boucle armchair with a brass lamp beside a raw wood coffee table. The variation in feel and finish creates visual intrigue. 4. Curate your wall art and decor. Don't over-decorate. Choose large-scale art or gallery walls with consistent framing for a cohesive look. Mix photography with abstract prints for variety. Pro tip: use decor that tells your story. Whether it's travel souvenirs, books, or handmade ceramics, authenticity always feels high-end. 5. Reimagine your layout. Experiment with furniture placement. Pull seating away from the walls, create intimate conversation zones, or angle your chairs toward a focal point like a fireplace or media wall. Use area rugs to define spaces and direct flow. Layout isn't just functional, it's the backbone of great design. 4. Extra pro tips from Fix-It Design. We've helped hundreds of homeowners transform their living rooms, and here are our top insider secrets. 1. Mood boards matter. Before buying anything, create a mood board. This helps you stay consistent with style, color, and feel. Apps like Canva or Pinterest make this super easy. 2. Use the 3-layer rule. Every space should include 3 layers: base furniture, accent, decor, color, and ambience, lighting, scent, sound. When these layers work together, your room feels complete. 3. Invest in key pieces. Spend more on items you'll use daily, like a sofa or rug, and save on accessories. A quality rug alone can elevate a room by anchoring everything around it. 4. Go vertical. Use vertical space. Tall shelves, art hung at eye level, vertical lighting fixtures. These draw the eye upward, making the room feel grander. 5. Keep it personal. Luxury doesn't mean generic. Add personal elements. Family photos in black and white, books you love, or a handmade sculpture from your travels. This brings warmth to modern spaces. 5 real-life makeover examples. Let's explore a few real-life transformations for extra inspiration. Case Study 1. The Budget Beauty, a dated apartment living room, got a full makeover with thrifted finds, a DIY painted arch behind the sofa, and smart lighting. Total cost: under $1,000. Case Study 2. Smart and sleek eye couple in a small city apartment added built-in shelves, a wall-mounted TV, and a custom L-shaped couch to turn their living space into a high-tech, modern retreat. Case Study 3. Nature-infused luxury, a family brought in biophilic design by incorporating indoor trees, natural wood finishes, and earthy tones. The result? A peaceful, grounding space that felt like a 5-star retreat. Final thoughts plus call to action. So there you have it, the top luxury modern living room design trends for 2025, and the makeover ideas and expert strategies to bring them to life. Remember, luxury isn't about how much you spend. It's about how intentional, cohesive, and comfortable your space feels. Whether you're doing a total renovation or just refreshing a few key elements, these trends will guide you to your dream living room. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Fix-It Design for more weekly inspiration. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a tip, trend, or transformation. And if you're ready to take your living room makeover to the next level, reach out to us directly at Fix-It Design. We're here with expert advice, custom plans, and stylish solutions for every budget. Thanks for watching. And as always, happy decorating!